today's question is, hey Urvee, I wanted to learn about SEO. Should I go for an online course or do an offline course or work in an internship? What is the best thing? Okay, so firstly, if you want to learn SEO, you should start off with the online one, just because it is on YouTube, it is free. You will get to learn a lot about SEO and anything basically about marketing on the internet for free. First, I would say go ahead and do that. Go ahead and learn that thing. Then see if you want to really want to invest your time on it, because sometimes what happens is what you really want to do, you end up just not doing it later. Like, you might think that it is the you would love it, it's the best thing for you, but then sometimes you lose interest for it, and then it's not something that you want to do. So I would start off by saying this, that do something, do it, try it for free for a few times, then you for free, and then see if it really helps for you. For me, I really loved Instagram and doing all of this editing and video editing, Lightroom editing, and then how to take photos, how to learn marketing, digital marketing, Instagram marketing. I started learning about it on, first of all, YouTube. I YouTubed it throughout, and then once I started doing that, I started learning more about it. Then I went ahead and joined an internship, not like a compulsory internship, but I went to people and I was like, I know how to do social media marketing, let me help your account. And then I helped them with their account. I learned from that by implementing on it. Also, for example, you do not even have to do an internship. You just, if you have your own website or a simple normal free blog, just implement what you have learned from YouTube onto your website, and then you will be able to learn it by themselves. And then you don't get internships, I think, in digital marketing that quickly, because you do not have an experience counts a lot in digital marketing, because you need to know what is happening and what you have done. You need to show them results. So this way, if you apply your SEO knowledge to your blog, and you can show companies that results, that hey, I have done this is what I did from SEO, this is how much I ranked, these are the results that I provided. The chances of you getting a job here because you showed your website are way more than if you just learn SEO and just go and do a job, just go and do an internship. But if you create a blog, learn SEO side by side, and then show them that you are really putting in the efforts and results, then you will get a job very, very way easier than if you wouldn't have just made the blog. You know what I mean? I hope you get it. So that was my question to your answer. Definitely go for it. I would suggest starting on with online, then move on to internship. And I don't think there is an offline thing, especially because in offline what I've seen is they just teach you the basics and everything. So definitely go to the higher authority people who are in the SEO niche, who are very have good knowledge. Neil Patel is one of them. He is excellent in SEO, so I definitely recommend grabbing as much information from his content, because he really knows what he is doing. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching. If you want me to answer more of your questions, make sure to leave them in the comments or into the WhatsApp group, and I will keep answering your questions every single week. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.